Successfully releasing a design is more than just completing a set of 3D models, drawings, and a bill of material. It requires careful planning from product managers and engineers long before going to CAD. But with many stakeholders using a variety of tools, how do you ensure structure, model, and data all culminate in a successful design release? Let's follow Pete and Eric as they overcome these common challenges with Product Release Engineer on the 3D Experience platform. Pete is a product manager and plays a critical role in defining key components in new product designs. Spreadsheets have traditionally been his tool of choice. With Product Release Engineer, he's able to reuse the same components engineering has access to, like this Motosport shock that will dampen the motion of the foot. He also wants to use the standard sole design Eric developed for this configuration of the design. The 3D preview confirms he's got the right model before adding it to the structure. Pete also creates many types of supporting documents. Historically, these would have been scattered in project folders, disconnected from the product. Not anymore. Pete can attach any type of supporting documentation directly to the design. Pete's ability to collaborate with Eric on the design structure has created a single source of truth that's game-changing. When Eric opens the VF2 foot assembly in SOLIDWORKS, the components that Pete added in the web browser are there waiting for him. He simply needs to assemble them into place, along with the other components that make up the foot design. A completed CAD assembly is one thing, but to get this built would traditionally mean exporting a BOM and filling in all the details in a spreadsheet. Now, there's no need to create a disconnected document. Product Release Engineer provides Eric with powerful capabilities that he never had with spreadsheets, like cross-highlighting. He can finalize custom property information using predefined drop-downs, and he can utilize valuable data tools like grouping in order to select items and apply the same property to each component all at once. Eric also has the ability to add non-modeled items to the structure, like this Allen wrench that's needed to fine-tune the performance of the VF2 foot. With the structure completed, Eric's ready to assign part numbers to each component. This is easy and accommodates his requirement of joining custom property information with a unique serial number. Finally, Eric is ready to freeze the design so that Pete can review. Pete and Eric's strategy of having a single source of truth has not only streamlined their product development process, but has in turn produced a ready-to-release product design. And now that they have a baseline structure for the foot, creating other variations is simple. Pete duplicates the existing structure with a new name, and then replaces the current sole with an alternative design. When he's done, he can visualize the updated product. From early definition to final release, Product Release Engineer creates a single source of truth for your structure, product, and data so you can overcome complexity while maximizing efficiency. Whether it's project management, data management, or change management, there's no challenge you can't tackle. What barrier to design release will you overcome with 3D Experience Works?